Hi guys, welcome to the channel. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, press the notification bell. Every time I drop anything, guys, you'll be notified. As you saw, guys, the title of this video, guys, I lost everything, guys. So yeah, man, I just want to address this because we were supposed to drop an episode. We were supposed to drop an episode on Monday, which we shot with Benito. Benito came to me and says, yeah, Grootman, I want to shoot TRM Real Minaiza episodes where we're gonna have like even dancers, you know, they're gonna be like the battle dancers, and then they're gonna come back to the studio and shoot things like, you know, catch up, you know, what happened, like how's the sales going for Real Minaiza clothing brand of his, which I said, you know what, I want to be part of it. I want to help you because you've been with me for the longest. So these are the boys that have been there with me, you know, without paying them anything. They said, yo, we understand the vision, let's keep these things moving. So yeah, he posted something, then I was like, you know what, boy, because now I got like a few cameras now, maybe I may be missing one camera to shoot like perfect angles and whatnot. So I said, yo, let me help you out. Then he said, I'm gonna come through with some gang. So they shot a nice episode. There were 4 of them.
I keep in six clipper
with me.
Ay,
Sentini.
bafana.
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 Nisicela da kusemitas the thing.
Ma namba yazi uthulande shop ndani.
For bangazi.
Oh, laba banga. Bakhuluma umoya.
Laba shop umoya.
Yeah.
Bheka ke invest 1.3.
Ay,
Bheka na TikTok ngipostile ukuthi ishanti. Yebo, 7.3 ATV Nike bafethu.
Uthi uhavusushi.
Yeah.
Uthuma uvunduka ulale passage.
Bheka. Ngilani ma passage. Ngilani. So wethu yonke bayazi. Ngilani ma passage.
Yeah.
Okay, short bafethu 8 clip by sushi then. This is sushi. This is sushi. Nalipokoto.
That's man.
This is
sushi. Man.
Okay. Running. Sangiveza manje rep.
Uthe malini 800.
Yeah, 8 clip.
Yeah.
Obviously nacaba kidi sama naliphaca. Hayi sabiba. 8 clip bafethu. Ayo ba. 850. Ngoba ino wakithi basiturisana. Bataka kuthweka. Yes, yeah.
So, yeah, some feet when I'm better so double 3,600.
Gabang sama feet. Okay, bafethu gabang basengirandile.
Yo.
Which is now it's on hold, guys. It's on hold because of I lost almost everything, guys. You know, sometimes staying in the hood, guys, is not like the best option, you know. But because of the situation that like you can't go to the suburbs or you can't go to the burbs, you are forced to stay in a certain areas where it doesn't allow you to grow, you know. Because you can't tell me that like you're growing when you're staying in Kokasi or something, unless maybe it's like a peaceful Kasi where people understand that like, yo, maybe when people are having like for an example, like a funeral, you can't be playing loud music. If there's like somebody who shoots like studios and whatnot, you can't be making noise because now you are disturbing people. Remember, guys, on my previous videos, when I was still shooting ladies chats, Kasike stories, know the game. If you can listen to the background, guys, you hear a lot of kids, you know, making hell of a noise. So I'm staying in this yard where people don't respect what you're trying to do, or people don't respect your hustle at all. So yeah, man. So what happened is this, guys. I stay in the hood as I'm busy trying to explain these things. So what happened is one line from the transformer, right? Best, or there has been like some illegal connection or something happened, something similar to that. So it's affected the transformer to supply more volt to our line, which have like destroyed almost everything. I lost my TV, I lost my computer, which I'm trying to get it fixed, guys. So I can't transfer the footages from cameras, from camera 1 and camera 2. I can't get it because my phone doesn't have enough space, and I need something that have like you see those big SD card slot, so I can transfer it to my phone, because I can even use my phone to edit. I do have like an editing app on my phone, but like I can't. I need a PC, guys. I need a laptop to transfer these things, you know. So I don't have those. So that's why I said I lost. So it's TV. I lost my TV. I lost the charging station for batteries for cameras. Then I lost my sound bar, like sound bar system. You know, I lost it, guys. Even a charger, guys. Even a charger, like a cell phone charger, is no longer working, guys, because the voltage were way too high, guys. So the only thing that is still working, I can say, it's a TV. It's it's a fridge, because fridge came with those Elise plugs, the red ones. Yeah. So I lost a lot of things, guys. TV, laptop, charging station for batteries for camera, sound bar, a phone charger. What else? Yeah, I think that's just it. And if you look at these things, guys, I'm trying to buy like a third camera. You know, I'm trying to buy a third camera, like from which money now, you know, because I'm trying to do my savings so I can give you guys like the best footage and whatnot. But like, guys, I lost so much now. I'm going back now. Now I have to buy a laptop, and like a normal laptop start from 6K or 6.5. So you can just imagine, guys. So it's crazy. I don't wanna lie, it's crazy, guys. So yeah, man. So I said, let me come here and update you here and there. Then on the 25th, I think on Saturday, my first time I went to the Pride event, because my friend Savannah, shout out to Savannah, she invited me, and I'm like, hey bro, come through, come and shoot some vlog in Central City. We're gonna have like a Pride day. Then she sent me a location. Then it was a vibe, guys. It was a vibe for the Q community, because I once had like shows like your Kasike stories, Bafana Batek, which is the lesbian shows and whatnot. So yeah, man, that was amazing. It was packed. It was fully packed, guys. There's a lot of people, guys. If you wanna check it out, guys, just below this video, it's a Pride event in Central City, so you can go and watch it. I think it's I tried to trim it down to 43 minutes, I think, so it's not that long, you know. So the whole day, trim it down to 43 minutes, is not that long. Please go and check it out, guys. I think it was approaching 300 views, if I'm not mistaken, or now it's already on 300 views, I don't know. Check it out, guys. So yeah, man, that was it, guys. So I'm just waiting for maybe if I can get cheaper PC somewhere, so I'll drop the episode for the Real Minizer for Benito's show. So that one is coming. That one is definitely coming.
Abatshele yini uponyo
Malpi baba yangazi ngoponyo
ukudla kwani
ngomajamani ndubuya.
And then what else did I wanted to update, guys? Yeah, man, there are these two kids, I think they're from Pretoria, that were killed, after I think they went to the Groove. They went to the Groove, had fun and whatnot, but they didn't want to live with the person who was busy buying booze for them, So, yeah, man, so they end up dead. So, for this one, I blame parents. Parents, let's not stop, trying to how can I put this, guys? I don't even know how can I put this. Let's keep on trying to advise our kids. Let's not normalize it. Like, no, we know we know, let's say it's Cherry, we know Cherry, she behaves like that. Let's not lose hope on our kids, guys. So these kids went there to the groove and whatever, because each and every picture that is out there, they are busy holding bottles, they are busy holding alcohol bottles. So you can tell that, like, now it was like this lifestyle was like a normal thing to them. So parents, let's just keep on advising our kids. Let's sit down with our kids. Let's not get tired, because the person who's going to be hurt so much is you as a parent. If things like this, now these poor kids, poor girls lost their lives, chasing the groove, chasing the vibes, chasing this, chasing that, while they don't even have money. I don't think they were even working. So going to the clubs and whatnot, I think it was maybe their lifestyle or something. But like each and every picture that I have seen for these two kids, they were holding bottles of alcohol. So shame, man. Parents, let's just keep on advising our kids, guys. Let's not lose hope, guys. Even if a kid can behave in a certain way, but we must always try to talk to them and tell them, yo, this is a bad idea. Whatever road you're trying to take is going to take you somewhere else. So let's just keep talking to our kids, guys. Let's not lose hope. My chat is, as parents, let's not lose hope. Let's always, like, we must advise our kids in such a way that, like, we mustn't allow our neighbors to make example of our kids. When a kid misbehave at home, they mustn't say, don't behave like such and such a kid. Let's avoid that by all means. Let's just try to avoid that, guys. So yeah, man. So that's the update, guys. I lost everything, guys. So I'm trying to get back on my feet right now. I got like a new camera. I got like 2 cameras. I think if I can get 1 more camera, I'm gonna have like 3, which I'm gonna shoot with a 3 angle, which is gonna be dope. So that one is coming. Guys, soon, guys. So yeah, man. See you soon, guys. Please check all the videos that I shot, guys. I got like 3 years, if I'm not mistaken, shooting things on YouTube. It's either it's vlog, or it's either it's a chat, it's either it's fishing, it's either it's, yeah. Check everything out, guys, and don't skip ads. Please try to watch ads. Ads are the ones that's gonna pay me, guys. So yeah, see you guys. See you soon. Thank you.